Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss a very important novelist, Toni Morrison. It's a very important novelist from UGC Net point of view. Well, without wasting any time, let's discuss about the biography of Toni Morrison, the first African American 1993 Nobel awardee. Toni Morrison was predominantly known in the literary field as a novelist, essayist, book editor, and also as a college professor. She was born and raised in Lorain, Ohio, America, in February 18, 1931. Her real name was Chloe Anthony Wofford Morrison. Education. Toni Morrison graduated from Howard University in 1953 with a BA in English. She also did a master's in American literature from Cornell University in the year 1955. So these two things you can keep in mind so far her studies are concerned. Now let's talk about career. Toni Morrison was the first black female editor in fiction at Random House in New York City in 1960. However, Toni earned fame for her most celebrated work, Beloved. Toni Morrison's beautiful and heart-wrenching portrayal and handling of the theme of racism in the United States brought her a lot of appreciation and acknowledgement. Later, Beloved was made into a Oprah Winfrey starrer film in the year 1988. Well, this is the most important thing which people should remember. See, here is a list of the major accomplishments, major novels, major works by Toni Morrison. So, she, as we all know, that she is a Booker awardee and a Nobel awardee. So you have to remember, the different novels, and most of the novels, have been asked in UGC Net. So The Bluest Eye, 1969, it was written. The Bluest Eye was her first novel, written in 1969. Sula, the second novel, written in 1971. Followed by Song of Solomon, 1977. Tar Baby, 1981. Beloved, 1986. So for Beloved, she's been awarded the prize. Says 1992, Paradise 1997, Love 2003, A Mercy 2008, Home 2012, God Help the Child 2015. So see, just remember that the first 6 novels are very very important and they have been asked in UGC Net many a times. Now let's talk about the awards. Being one of the most celebrated African American author, Toni received the most prestigious Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1993. She also received National Book Critics Circle Award for another critically acclaimed Song of Solomon, 1977. Toni has also won the most prestigious award of the United States Pulitzer Prize for Fiction for Beloved, 1987. Right, so आप ध्यान रखिएगा. Just keep in mind that she was awarded Nobel Prize in the year 1993. Right, and then she has also got Pulitzer Prize for fiction for Beloved in her kitty, right? So Pulitzer Prize is the biggest honor, most prestigious award of United States of America. Other than this, Toni has also won Presidential Medal of Freedom and National Humanities Medal for her remarkable work in fiction. Personal life, see here a very very brief introduction of her personal life. Toni married Harold Morrison in the year 1958. She had 2 children from a marriage with Harold. However, when she was pregnant with another children, she got divorced with her husband in the year 1964. Toni died at the age of 88 on August 5, 2019. Thanks for watching. But before leaving, let me tell you that soon I'm going to make more videos on her Beloved and Song of Solomon, Tar Baby. So if you find the video useful, kindly share and subscribe, like, share and subscribe, and you can comment as well. Thank you so much.